Hi guys, I'm doing another practice stroke today. I'm using quite a bit of neon colors, so we're going to see how that looks. I've got neon blue, purple, and pink here. I'm going to be using some aqua and trying to make that look a little bit more neon, and some Prussian, which looks black, is Prussian blue. And some of those colors in there that I think will add to the hibiscus look that I'm getting. All right, so we'll see how that works. Um, what's going to happen first is I want you to know I use a grayscale plaid, gray scale art paper, and it's like a 9 by 12, and it's used for all kinds of different types. It's heavy weight and it's got a little bit of texture in it, and it's 80 pounds, so it's not got a lot of poundage, so it wrinkles a little bit, but it dries really pretty good. All right, so I'm going to use my 3/4 inch flat here. And I wanted to come across here with a mop brush with a few colors in the background, and we'll see how that looks. Let's, I just want to put a little bit of treasure gold. I'm not using a double loader today because I'm trying to move this paint around a little bit different than that. So I'm going to put water in this brush, and and the mop brush. This is my 3/4 mop brush. And then I'm just going to, this looks pretty watery, but what's going to show afterwards is just the metallic. So all this is going to dry. Actually, I'm going to dry it up just a little bit so you see. And a little bit over here. I'm up on that chisel because it's got, when you flatten it out, it's kind of got a chisel look. All right, and then I can come across here with a little bit of this blue. All right, and we can put a little bit of blue. It can be a dioxazine purple. There's different colors you can put over there for shading. So like if you're on a canvas, you could do this on a canvas the same way. I just want you to see. Now, when you're washing this mop brush, I want you to see that I pounded it a little bit, and then I'm going to squeeze out that color because this is goat hair and you want to take care of it. You want to keep it really nice. All right. And that comes in a set of two, a small one and a large one for your work. Right. Also, if you do 3/4 bigger canvases, this is a 1 inch. If you do 3/4, like a 60 by 20, all right, this bigger. Okay, so I just put a little bit of background, and so I want to start with my flower. But what I need is the base. Let's see, the base of the flower is going to be like right there. All right, so you can say I want a petal there, one here, and then maybe a couple this way. All right. And then right along here, I'm doing that in gold. And now I don't know if y'all tried this before, but you can screenshot what's on the screen at any time. And that helps you, like if you wanted to trace out this as a pattern. All right. I'm not really trying to make this a perfect layout. I just want you to see that that's going to kind of guide me where I want to go. All right, so it's like a gel, the neon, and usually I don't mix it with two colors, but today I'm going to do a little bit of both, and then I might come back and put more neon afterwards. And this is called Cayman Blue. So these other aquas and all were too dull, so I needed a bright color. So when I'm showing you this, I'm going to come around and it's going to be fine. I'm putting the neon on the outside edge. All right, but what's going to happen? So can you see that I get both colors? I slide up, lay it down a little bit, and then slide back down. All right, it's kind of the same color, so we don't get much shading right now. And then we're going to slide down. Okay, so then I'm going to come over here I'm gonna put a little bit more on this one. Let's go on this side of there. Okay, so it's gonna have more color in here. So I'm gonna stop there. I did come over here a little bit because I only have all kinds of bright colors as you've seen. All right, and then in here, this is just a fun little kind of a demo. All right, so I have a balance of the blue and a little bit of blue in here. So we're going to come right in here. Okay. Now I like to, lots of people say, I want all, there's like 5 or 6 different neons, especially with fall coming and all. There's orange, there's bright green, there's different colors. Yeah, you can order a set of these. Just say, I want, I mean, here's a neon. This was called green. I might put a teeny bit of this on in a couple of these strokes here real quick. Let's see. All right. It's better kind of to let it dry. So why don't I let it dry before I put that? But now I'm coming over here to this Prussian blue, which is not a neon, but I have the neon on my brush, guys. So look, I'm going to come here and I can curve around. I come in here. Okay, so I can pull some of this down. Okay, just a little bit. So when that neon dries, that will make it look even better. And then under here, I came under. Let's get a little bit from the middle there underneath that petal. And then I came right in here, grabbing this Prussian blue. What's good about Prussian blue is it goes from a really pastel blue, if you add white, to this rich, deep blue. And it's just a yummy color. I work for lots of different um, paintings. All right, I'm going to try to put some a little bit of this limey green, the neon green on this edge. So it's a little bit of green and blue. I know that this is wrinkled, so I'm hoping that you can see it. All right, so then I came in here, just because the green's right here by that green, it's kind of nice to add more of it right there on that edge. All right, so see? So like I said, I keep saying this, but I don't have the patience. I keep saying let it dry and then add the neon on, but I still like to come out here a little bit and add that in as I go. And a little bit of blue. Okay. We'll put a little bit of green in here. All right. Oh, right there. That's what I wanted to do. Right here. All right. Then, let's see. I'm going to wipe this off and I'm going to get this purple now. So I'm going to come right in here and the purple's going to go on top of those other colors. This is just neon purple. And I love this color and the pink I use a lot. See? And we'll put a little bit more over here. Okay. All right. So what I will do is add some pink. And we can add a little bit in here. I want you to see that this is a very quick and easy, and it can be dramatic. And these neon colors are so fun right now. So I'm going to take dioxazine purple. So Prussian blue, dioxazine purple are not neon. They're the more intense colors. Okay, so this is the purple. All right. All right. Then I'm going to come down here and get some gold. And so a little bit of this gold is going to work really nice. Oh, look at that in there. A little bit of gold here. All right. And okay. Now I'm going to pick up gold and bring it from right here down. Right. I can put a few of these streaks in there. I'm going to put the stems or stamens right in there with the chisel, this 3/4. So far I've only used a 3/4. All right. And I need some edges on there, but I'm gonna come in here and I'm going to add a few, they're kind of like curls or leaves in here to go along with the whole look I'm getting. See, I put a heavier glob there or heavier stroke, so it's like looks really good. All right, so I am also going to come all the way up here to be dramatic. All right, so it's going to be, I think you're going to like what the turnout on this. All right, so I'm going to come right in here and then watch this. We're going to go wiggle the outside edge. See, I didn't clean my brush. It still has the purple. Anything you leave on your brush, it kind of works in here and there. Like when I'm putting pressure and standing up, it'll get some of that color, like the purple when I did it there. Now this side's going to show because there's more purple there, right? So I'm going to come here. See, my eyes are watching the outside edge of that leaf. Okay. All right, isn't that pretty? All right, so then I'm going to come right here and pull the stem in. Okay, I hope you're liking this. All right, so I'm going to take a liner. Okay, and I'm going to, this is a 2 script liner. I'm going to just look, touch, 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 just kind of get a really loose. This is a little bit more abstract too. I did that. I haven't done a couple of these for you guys like that. And now when this dries, it's far prettier than it is now because it blows you away that that neon pops out so much. Like people have tried to match my color and go, what the heck? What is that blue she used? And they couldn't figure it out. It's because it was neon. All right. And they weren't expecting neon. Like when I do magenta and I put this pink on the magenta, believe it or not, even with white, it gets dull like. But as soon as I put the neon pink on it, oh wow, it is nice. I really hope that you subscribe if you haven't for my site here, for my YouTube channel, that you click the button to get notices, ring the bell, it says. All right. And that will tell you when I'm on doing lives or whatever. And then check out my membership. If you're wanting to learn how to paint, you want to start a business, you want to become a teacher, I got business things on Patreon on how to do that and teach all that. And we have all kinds of wonderful lessons starting at $10 a month right here. Or you get lots of free lessons, so don't be mistaken that you have to pay, because I do a lot of free for all those who really want to learn and not sure yet. Okay, we have over 800 videos, so come check us out. Hope you like that. When it dries, all the paper lays down. And oh, I know what I was gonna say. I like it when it's got some edges on there. So it's hard to put water with this gold, but I can go around here. And where it doesn't look like it's got a lot of pizzazz, I can put some gold. Like this blue sometimes doesn't do that. The dark blue is good. The lighter blue or along here on the green, it can use something. So look, we're gonna lay a lot of paint there. See that? I didn't want to do that before because I want all that to show. But when you're coming along here and if it needs something, see how nice that is? Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.